Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, born and bore. Born and bore, or born. When someone first enters the world, okay, I was born in a city. Where were you born? As in the past tense. He was born in another country. Do you know when you were born? Which day, which month, which year? We were born at the same time. I think he was born in a hospital. She was born at home with her family. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Now, born, the past tense of bear, to have carried something for a long time, to bear something. He has borne that burden for a long time. He has had to borne that, well, he's had to bear. He has had to bear that for a long time. He's borne it for a long time. Yeah. She is growing tired of borning. Growing tired because of what she has had to borne for a long time. How long has he borne this burden? Has carried this weight, this burden on him for years. Yeah, so born, when you first enter the world, past tense, born in the city, born at the same time, and born, the past tense of bear. He has borne that burden. How long has he borne this? He has had to borne this challenge for years. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, born and born. Can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.